Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to effectively create a Facebook ad campaign. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook application the way I've done. Then switch to the page where you want to run ads. Okay, let me just switch the page by clicking on that profile picture, then select the page. Okay, give it some time to switch. Okay, nice one. Now the next thing you want to do, okay, is click on the three bars at the top to the right. We normally call them the hamburger signs. Then scroll down. Now you will see a button here just below the professional dashboard. You will see a button for Ad Center. This one here, just click on it. Give it some time. Then there are various options here. You can choose to boost a post, create a new ad, or use automated ads. I'll normally recommend creating new ad because this is more effective than boosting a post. Okay, now click on the arrow there. There are always various goals. I mean, advertisers normally have various goals. Maybe you want to get more page likes, you want to get more website visitors, or you want to promote your business, you want to get calls, you want to get more visits to your shop. It depends with what you want. In most cases, I normally recommend promoting your business locally. Okay, but you can choose whatever you want. Maybe you want to get more calls. Okay, then you will state whether your ad is about financial products, maybe it's about employment, housing, or social issues, or elections. Okay, because every category has a price. Okay, now let me assume my ad is under employment or financial products. Maybe I'm offering insurance services. Okay, then you need to select your audience. Just click on this edit button. I'm currently in Kisumu, so I can select my audience. Maybe I want to target people within Kisumu. Now you can edit the region and everything. Then age range of your audience. Let's say people from 18 years to 35 or 30. Then I want to target everybody, men and women. Okay, then click save audience. Okay, then choose ad duration. Maybe I want to run this ad for 1 week, or let's say 1 month. Okay, it will automatically calculate the price that you should be paying for that advert. Okay, look at everything here. Then just come and click promote now. Now you can see the charges for that ad campaign. Okay, then you can choose the payment option. Maybe you want to use debit card or M-Pesa. In Kenya we normally use M-Pesa, so I can choose M-Pesa. Then complete the payment. By doing this, I'll be able to run the ad campaign for 1 month. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.